series, I will provide you with exam past papers model answers. I'll start with the very recent one. If you have an urgent one that you want me to upload for you, just write it down in the comment. In this video, we're going to solve an arithmetic sequence problem. It says here, an arithmetic sequence has first term 8 and common difference 11. The sequence has k terms, where k is greater than 21. The sum of the last 20 terms of the sequence is 10,170. Find the value of k. Show clear algebraic working. Here, the examiner gives us the first term a, which is 8, and the difference 11, and the sum of the last 20 terms, not the sum of the first 20 terms. So here, as if I'm working with a sequence inside a sequence. What should I do? I will use the sum rule to find the an, which is the first term of the last 20 terms. So 10,170 equals 20 over 2, bracket 2 an plus 11, bracket 20 minus 1. And this comes out as 404. Next, I will find the position of this number by using the n position rule. So I will do 404 minus 8 divided by 11 plus 1. And this comes out as 37. This means from the first term to this number, we have 37 terms, and we know that from this number, 404, to the last one, we have 20 terms as given in the question. So from here to here, we have 19 terms. Be careful not to count the 404 position twice. This means, in total, we have 37 plus 19, which is 56 terms, and this is the value of k. And this is my final answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe for all the upcoming videos. See you in the next video.